Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download videos on MX Player using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on YouTube at the bottom menu of the screen. To download videos, you must have purchased subscription plan of MX Player. Tap on the premium at the top of your screen. From here, you can simply purchase any plans that works best for you. After that, browse or search for the movie, show or video you want to download. Tap on the video to open it. The video supports downloading. You will see a download button near the title or below the video. Tap on the download. Next, choose the video quality like low, medium or high. Lower quality uses less storage while the higher quality looks better. After selecting the quality, the download will start automatically. You can see the progress on the screen. You can leave the app or lock the phone. The download will continue in the background. Once the download is finished, go to the download section inside the MX Player app. Here you will find all your saved videos. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded a video on MX Player using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.